Yo traders, you are back. We are back again. Welcome back. It's a new week, so let's make some analysis as usual. Let's do our weekly analysis as usual. So I want to make the analysis of USDCH. No. I'll show you USDCHF though. I'm on it right here, as you can see. This is USDCHF, but we'll be going on the JPY pairs. The JPY pegs, that's what we'll be going for this week. And yeah, the JPY is because the dollar I'm not going on any dollar pair this week, if possible. I know the buyers, I can make the analysis for you, but for me, I'm going on the JPYX. So let me go to the JPYX and show you why going I'm going to show you this analysis, or I'm going to trade on the JPY index trade setups. So this here, as you can see, this is the JPYX. So I want to go on the daily time frame. If we can start from there, that will be okay. So as you all know, we do trade break and retest. So what was the break and retest here? What was the break and what was the retest we have seen before we go into any trade? And as usual, if you all know, for the JPY index, whenever it's bearish, any other currency that is paired with it is bullish. If you understand that because we are coming here for exchange, you understand, is the exchange rate, that's our gain, that's where our gain is. So this JPY index is bearish right now. So the Japanese yen is bearish. Other currency that will be paired with it is going to be bullish. And what's the break and retest before we go further into this video? So this is the break and retest. From here we can see that the JPYX is bearish. This is my first touch. So let me pick the brush. This is my first touch here. This is my second touch. So there is never a third touch, so it's bearish. This is another first. This from this point 2 again, we have another point 1, so forming another point 2 here. So we are going still bearish. And for the bullish aspect, for the break aspect of it, this is my point 1. This is my point 1. This is my point 2. This is point 3 break. As you all know, my point 3 usually breaks, and any retest I go in immediately. So what was the retest there? Let me drop the 2 and try to even delete some of this. I've shown it to you. I hope you understand this I'm telling you right here. So once it's not breaking the uptrends, the up lines, this my resistance line, once it's not breaking it, it means if it's making a second touch and it's going back down, that's bearish market. I still identify a bearish market that way. So this is a bearish market right now. The JPY index is bearish. So what's the break here and what's the retest again? Let me show you. As I usually say, this is my point 1. I might write it here for you now. So point 1, sorry, wow, point 1 here will be what? Point 2 touch. Why I'm calling it point 1, point 2 is where it has touched my trend line before bouncing back up. So this is point 3, point 2, and my point 3 usually breaks. Point 3 break. This is my point 3 break. You understand what I'm saying? So my point 3 breaks, and if it breaks, I don't go in immediately. But why? The break might be a fake breakout, and if you can jump in and the market will just go another side. So where is the retest? I'll show you right here. This is the retest of my break. So let me put this point break. point 3 break. I'll put it that way, point 3 break. So let me go here. Let me zoom in this a bit so you can see. Okay, so this is my retest. So how is it a retest? So this support trend line, you can see that is broken. The market went down, make a high, make a low, sorry to say, went back up there to retest exactly on the line. You can see on this my support line, you can see that it has retest. So the retest means it has given me a valid confirmation that yes, this break is valid. It has given me a clear confirmation that this break is valid. You understand what I'm saying? So this break is valid and it hasn't broken the trend line upward anymore. So it is valid, and once it hits the trend line or it retests, what it also means is it's going to make a new low. That's what it means. So this is a first low. So this is a low one, first low, second low. So after this retest, what it means is that after this retest on this line here, you can see what it means is that it's going to make a new low, and I'll be expecting the new low to be here or anywhere. I don't know. I just don't know. I just want to cash out on this. So I'm on the trade. I'll show you GPP JPY on my prop firm, and I'll show you. So I'm just cashing out on this right here. So from a drawdown, this trade is just boosting my account right now. If I should go back up, oh, I'll be happy. Like my I've been on a drawdown, but I've been managing my risk, so I'm kind of like a bit patient for the market right now, not trying to cash up on every trade. So that's that. So let's go on back to the 4-hour time frame, and you can see that the break and the retest is on the daily time frame. So it's a valid one, it's not a fake one. You understand what I'm saying? It's a valid one. So you can see after this low, let me show you something now. So you can understand something here. Let me show you something. After every retest, there is usually the market usually creates a new low. So after this low, it went to retest on this line. It comes to form what? A new low. If you can see, this low that it just formed is lower than the previous low. This is a lower low. So it went back again to do what? To retest on the zone and even form a double top. What does it mean? It's going to make what? Another new low. So you can see how it is. So retesting on the zone again, coming to the 4-hour, coming to the resistance trend, it makes 0.2. This is the 0.2 on this trend, on this support or resistance trend line. And after every 0.2 of the resistance trend line, what happened? The market goes down, goes back down, goes more bearish. So 0.1, 0.2, the market went very bearish. So this one also 0.1, this is the 0.2, so the market will go also bearish to this level here. So this is what I am anticipating right here. So anyway it goes, it's fine, but this is what I'm seeing. Right here. So let me delete this. So let's go to my prop firm. So you can see that it has even broken this my trend line again. The market has broken my trend line. This trend line you can see here, this support trend line, it has broken it, and you can see the massive push here. So GBP JPY, I'm on GBP JPY. I'm on a trade on GBP JPY. So we can see that it's going still going massively bullish. It's still going massively bullish. So we are still on this trade, and I'll take partial out of this trade, I guess. I'll take partial profit. So you can see this one also, it breaks this line, it retests, so we are going backwards up, going to form a new high. So we'll be going to form a new high, and I'll go to my Propfm now, so I'll show you what's happening there. Let me show you. I just entered the trade on CHF. I entered the trade on CHF, and I would love to even show you there. Okay, so it's loading up. Let me show you here the analysis before we go on. No, not this. This one was okay. So maybe you saw me make this analysis on this. You saw me make, okay. So this is the USD CHF. So on the CHF, we are on an uptrend. So you can see that there is a retest on this zone. So there is a retest here. After this retest, I just entered a new trade here. I entered a new trade. Okay, so we are in here. This is my Propfm account. As you can see, this is my Propfm. I just opened this trade on this. I just opened a new trade on the CHF, but this one is the GBP, JPY. So I want to show you here. Okay, so this is the GBP JPY on my Propfm right here. You can see this live. The account is still active. It's a live account. So I entered from here. This was the stop order I placed, buy stop order I placed, I was telling you about. So it has picked my order up, and it's running. I'm running in profit right now. So that's it. And this CHF, I just entered a new trade on the CHF. I just entered a new trade. I will be running it to this support. The supply zone. I'll be running it to this supply zone. I don't care whatever it's going to do here. I'm just waiting for it to run to a new high. You understand what I'm saying? Because while I entered the trade, it has retested on this previous high, on this previous low back here. So the buyers should push it up. If the buyers should push it up, fine. So that's my view. And you can see here, it's my Propfm. You can see the trades I'm on. So this is all I just want to show you in this video. I just want to show you the analysis on that JPYX. So you can follow the analysis on the JPY. Since the JPY index is bearish, you can go on any trade you wish, or that is paired with the Japanese index. So that's all I want to show you in this video. And you can see this is my Propfm. I'm currently on profit, on some kind of profit here right now. Look at my balance, look at my equity. So, and I'll show you my dashboard later, but I know when I want to show you. That won't be now, it will be later. I'll show you later. So I'll be taking partials on this account here. I'll be taking partials profits. So when the market test on this zone again, then I'll enter another position. That's what I want to do. That's my idea on this right here. Okay, so for now, this is the end of the video. Thanks for staying. Thanks for watching. I love you all as usual. Peace.